Expanding conversations. Using who in non-defining relative clauses. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another engaging lesson. Today, we are going to dive into the intriguing world of non-defining relative clauses, particularly focusing on the use of who when talking about people. We'll see how it can provide additional information about a person, making our English more fluent and descriptive. So, let's jump right into it. Before we get started, let's refresh our understanding of non-defining relative clauses. These are clauses that give us extra information about something, but that information is not essential to understand the sentence. They are separated from the rest of the sentence by commas. For example, my friend, who loves pizza, is coming over for dinner tonight. In this sentence, who loves pizza is the non-defining relative clause. Now, onto our main topic for today. When referring to people in non-defining relative clauses, we use the pronoun who. It's important to remember that we don't use who for things, only for people. Here's an example. John, who is an excellent cook, made dinner for us. The clause, who is an excellent cook, gives us extra, non-essential information about John. The use of who in non-defining relative clauses can serve various functions, but today we're specifically focusing on how it can provide additional information about a person. This use can help paint a clearer picture of the person you're talking about, adding depth to your conversations. For instance, my neighbor, who used to be a professional dancer, is teaching me some dance moves. Now, it's time for you to practice. Try to make a few sentences on your own using who in non-defining relative clauses. Remember, the goal is to add extra information about a person, and don't forget those commas. That wraps up today's lesson on using who in non-defining relative clauses to provide additional information about people. By now, you should be able to add more depth to your descriptions of people. Remember, mastering a language takes time and practice, so keep practicing these new structures. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and expanding your language horizons.